What's up everyone? So today we're in a place called Anjuna, which is about a 40-minute drive down south from where we were in Arambol. We got here yesterday. We came by bus though, so it took like 2 hours. Buses take forever here. Had to get 2 buses. And we just left the place that we're staying back there. 1 second, let me get out of the road. So yeah, we're staying back there. I'll probably show you the place later on. It's already 1 PM I think, and we're just gonna head to have lunch now. We haven't even eaten yet, we just got up late. We've been very lazy, and then after eating we'll probably head to the beach and check out the beach. So the spot we've come to is called German Bakery. Doesn't seem to be anything German about it though. And I'm just gonna go for porridge with apple and cinnamon, 180. And also a lassi as usual, probably get banana or mango, and that's 120. As you can see here, this place is a pretty hippie looking place. Apparently been here since the 70s. So you got these cool places to lie down and sit down. Pretty big. What are you gonna get, Carol?
I don't know yet.
You don't know? Lots of options. So the food in that place was pretty good. I didn't mention before, but we're about a 10-minute walk from the beach. So we're kind of inland because yeah, the prices were kind of expensive, especially compared to Arambol. On the beach here, this area in general seems to be more expensive. And yeah, so we're back here, but not bad at all, peaceful. Just nature everywhere, not very developed. I always like that, so yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So here we have Anjuna Beach, the main beach here. Not sure if you can hear, but there's some electronic music going on. Here is more like a party beach really. Quite busy. You can see it goes all the way down there. We're probably going to head on this side, it's a bit quieter. But just like everywhere else in Goa, you have the coconut trees, although this is a lot more developed, so the actual front, I would say, is less attractive than other beaches in Goa. There's all this grey concrete, not so nice. And apparently there's been like a cyclone here, right?
Yeah, you can see it's all destructive, like the stairs and everything.
Yeah, it's all damaged. So if you look around, there's loads of building going on right now. So yeah, that's also not so attractive right now. Let's head to our spot. Yeah. Yep. So we got our spot on the beach. This time we decided to get a place with an umbrella and the chairs here. So the place we're staying at is Curly's Restaurant and Bar. Apparently this is a pretty famous spot here. And we didn't have to pay for the umbrella or anything, you just have to buy something at the bar, like a drink or something. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal because we're gonna get some drinks anyway, water or something like that. And as you can see, this beach is pretty relaxing. Not many people here at all. Pretty much an empty beach. Good picture?
Yeah, good view.
Yeah, awesome view. Beautiful Anjuna. So this beach here is actually called South Anjuna Beach, in case anyone wants to come. We're just going to these rocks right now here at the end. I'm going to try and find a good spot to fly the drone, a quiet spot. I usually always try and find a place where people won't bother me, because the drone always attracts a crowd in all the countries that I go to. I've barely seen any drones, to be honest. I think I've only seen about 2 or 3 people flying. I don't know why, it's not illegal or anything, but yeah, I just don't see that many. Anyway, let's try and find a good spot. Awesome views. Guys, so I think we found the sunset spot. Climb up one of these things in this restaurant. What do you think, Carol?
Good idea.
Alright, we are in the ultimate chill spot. You also have this to protect you from the sun. So check this, we only came on like the first floor. The second floor looks crazy. If we went on the second floor, I wonder how the guy serves you food.
Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
For drinks, maybe okay.
Not for food. Yeah, look, the guy would have to climb up this sketchy ladder here. Pretty cool though. So me and Carol just got some mojitos, tasty mojito. It was 250 each, which I think is around $3.
Very good.
Very good, enjoying it. Yeah, it looks beautiful. And now we open the curtain, so yeah, here's the sunset view right there. Pretty amazing. And in the background, that is South Anjuna Beach, where we were chilling before. See loads of people getting ready for the sunset on the rocks. This might be one of the coolest sunset spots we've ever been to. Yeah. I like it. So another spectacular sunset in Goa once again. Every single day we've been getting the sunsets and it's just been awesome. And we decided to have dinner here, so Carol got, what was it? Vegetarian thukpa. I think it's called vegetarian thukpa.
Yeah, from Nepal.
Yeah, Nepali food. And I got veggie biryani, which I love. And both of these were 200 each, so yeah, really good. And I'm gonna close the video out now. After eating this, we're just gonna go back to our guest house, and tomorrow we're gonna be heading to another area. I think it's called Palolem. I think that's what it's called anyway. So we're gonna head there in the morning, and the next video should be from that area. So as always, just thanks for watching, subscribe if you hadn't already, and we'll see you in the next one.